Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a slightly different video for you. This is much more of a light makeup look, and I've done those before in the past, but this one is specifically on days when I'm in a rut or a funk and I've been in it for a while and I just need to get out, go outside, get some sunshine, and this is my main go-to look when I'm feeling like that. Now, I'm often without makeup or my hair done, but if I keep going out like that, especially when I'm in a rut, sometimes I feel like it gets me further and further into that rut. So kind of doing a quick makeup look and a quick hair look snaps me out of it for a little bit, and then I feel like going out and socializing and conversing with people. If you follow me on Instagram, I've been very open about this spiritual journey that I've been going through. I'm really getting hit with the emotions, so my emotions are like up and down, up and down. Some days I have good days, other days I have bad days. I didn't intentionally mean to get into this whole spiritual thing, it just happened, so it kind of slapped me in the face. So I'm gonna stop blabbing. We are going to get into this video, but first, if you are not subscribed, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification to be notified when I upload videos. Okay dolls, let's get into this video. Okay dolls, so to first get started, I'm going to work on a little bit of skincare, and I'm going to take my PMD Clean Pro RQ, and the RQ stands for Rose Quartz Cleaning Device. This thing is amazing. First, I like to put on some high vibrational music that I just find on YouTube. And now I'm taking my Pearlie's Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk, applying that over my face. Then I'm going to take my PMD Pro and start working that cleansing milk into my face. This is going to break down dirt and oil from within the pores. And the PMD operates at 7,000 vibrations per minute. And this is going to help lift, firm, and tone the skin. It is made out of ultra hygienic silicone. Another great thing is it's customizable for all skin types. I am then going to rinse my face off. And now I'm taking my Wet n Wild Rebel Rose Photo Focus Rose Primer and applying that over my face. Then I'm going to press this button on the rose quartz side, and this is going to start heating up the device. And I'm using the 4th setting. And rose quartz contains elements like magnesium, iron, and oxygen, and this is great for reducing inflammation and tension. And with active warmth technology, it uses heat therapy combined with sonic glow. So this is going to get you deeper absorption and effectiveness for whatever serum or moisturizer you are applying with it. So now that I've worked those oils into my skin with the PMD RQ, it feels so incredible, so soft. And you can get your PMD Pro RQ for 20% off today if you click the link in the description box below. This video is sponsored by PMD, so thank you so much PMD for sponsoring this video. Now moving on to makeup, I'm taking my Urban Decay Stay Naked Weightless Foundation in the shade 41NN and applying that all over my face. And now I'm taking my Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder and setting the whole foundation, and this time I am going to set my eyelid space. Going in with my Benefit Cosmetics 3D Brow Tones, I'm going to apply that over my brows. And now I'm taking the Balm Ferocious, and this is in the shade Dark Brown, and I'm actually going to use this to carve my eyebrows. Normally I use the 24-hour Kat Von D, but that's just a little too harsh for the look that I'm going to be doing today, and this gives more of a sort of natural look. I mean, by no means do they look natural, but my brows aren't as harsh as they normally are when I do a full face of makeup. And then I'm going to take this little spoolie and sort of blend that all in. Now I'm taking my Marc Jacobs Beauty Omega bronzer and applying that, contouring my face. and applying some on my forehead. And then going in with my Tarte Cosmetics blush, applying that on my cheeks. Now I'm taking L'Oreal Cosmetics Bougie Highlight and applying that on my cheekbones. And then I'm also going to be applying that on the inner corner of my eyes. Since I'm not going to be wearing eyeshadow today, I'm just going to give it a little pop of highlight. And now I'm going to be curling my lashes because I was not blessed with lashes. So I have to do everything I possibly can to make them look semi-long, which they don't at all. This is my Profusion Cosmetics Lash Out Loud mascara. I love this mascara. The only issue is that the top, or the insert, the hole at the top is too small. So every time I go to close it, mascara gushes out, which is a bummer because I really, really, really love this mascara. For lips, I'm using Profusion Cosmetics Berry MML Trio. This is the lip liner in the trio. And then I'm taking my IGXO Cosmetics lipstick and applying that. And this is the final makeup look. It was super quick to create. So for hair, I could leave it down, but sometimes my hair isn't as fresh as it normally is. So I like to do French braids because it's just a cute, simple, clean look. So I start off by parting in the middle. French braids on myself are so freaking difficult. I always sort of have a difficult time doing them on myself. It's easy peasy on other people, but when I try it on myself, it's never as perfect. So you're gonna see a bit of imperfection here, but it's okay. I just barely learned how to do them on myself a couple of years ago, and it took forever. I was so frustrated. So now that I've sort of got the hang of it, I love to do them all the time just because they're so convenient and they still look cute. And my hair is layered, so you're going to see a little bit of hairs sticking out. And one side is always better than the other side. Like my right side, the side I just completed, is always so much easier to do than my left side. My left side always comes out a little bit more messed up than the right, but it's okay. And then I'm just going to apply my Chi hairspray just to calm those little flyaways down. And here is the final hair look. Super easy. Now for outfit, this is a cute little Power Rangers sweater that I got at Forever 21 years ago. And then these jeans are actually vintage. I got them at a vintage shop called Memo's Vintage in Fullerton, and oh my gosh, I was shocked how perfect they fit without me having to alter them. I freaking love them. And I paired them with my Old Navy tennis shoes that I got a few months ago. But here's just a cute, simple look when I just want to go to the bar, not dress up or nightclub or anything like that. It's just super casual, still super cute, and I feel good after I get ready and I have a cute little simple outfit on. So this is one of my favorites. So here is the final look for today's video, dolls. I know, like I said, it's slightly different than my normal glam looks, but I think it's important to show all sides of me even when I don't feel like getting ready. So I hope this was sort of beneficial for some of you. But thank you so much, dolls, for watching my videos. I love you, and I will see you soon. Bye, loves.